Legends, just out in nature. Bit of a nature walk. Might be doing a couple of these videos actually. Let me know if you like them. Alright, let's have a look around. There's a beautiful park, little forest in Langwarrin, Studio Park. Let's see what we can find, huh? Let's have a look around. Nice little path. Some nice birds in here. I've seen a wallaby in here, maybe even a kangaroo actually. Echidnas. Let's see if we can get one today, huh? Nice day. Sun's going down. No, not down there. Let's go this way. Let's have a look up here. Oh wow, what do we got here? We have ourselves a friend. He's just chilling out, isn't he? Leave him be. Enjoy. Yeah, beautiful birds in here, I tell you what. Always chirping. This place is like untouched. You never see people in here, very rarely. Birds everywhere in here. Right, let's go in here. Let's check out this path. Beautiful trees, beautiful. Always nice to breathe in the beautiful air and nature, I tell you what. It's a magical place, this place. Oh, let's keep going. Oh, this is beautiful, isn't it? This is beautiful. Love a bit of scrub, huh? Yeah, when it's hardcore summertime, that's where your spiders though. The spiders are out and about. And it's basically hardcore summertime right now. Oh well. They are friends. Just like this beautiful thing right here. Alright, that'll wrap up episode 1 of Adventures in Nature. Got ourselves a cherry tree to finish right here. Just about to start producing some cherries. Have a beautiful day, guys.